Looking for reliable air conditioning services in northern Colorado? Greeley Furnace Heating and Air is your local expert for everything AC. Our certified technicians handle it all, from troubleshooting and repairs to complete system replacements, so you don't have to search far and wide for dependable support. We know that every home and business is unique, which is why we offer personalized maintenance plans tailored to your specific equipment and needs. For most homes, a couple of tune-ups a year will keep things running smoothly. But if you manage a commercial property, you might benefit from more frequent filter changes and comprehensive maintenance to ensure peak performance. Thinking about a new air conditioner? Whether you're upgrading an old system or installing AC for the first time, our comfort advisors are here to help. We'll assess your property, complete a certified heat load requirement, and recommend the best options for your layout and budget. Choosing the right system is crucial for long-term efficiency and comfort, and our team will guide you every step of the way. Ready to get started or want to learn more? Call Greeley Furnace Heating and Air at 970-356-0121 or reach out online. Let us help you stay cool, comfortable, and confident all year round.